Hey guys, welcome to the ORB Radio Amazon FBA Quick Start Guide. I've been working 9 months to make this thing. There's over 2 hours and 20 minutes of completely edited content, and the best part, it's completely free. At the very end, there's not like some sales pitch, there's nothing. I just want to show you guys how to start selling stuff online and making as much money as you want to make. It all depends on how much action you want to take. So anyway, I want to talk a little bit about what videos are going to be included in this series. First of all, I want to mention in the comments, or not in the comments, in the description below the video, you can find the links to our podcast, which is the cornerstone of ORB Radio as an online retail business radio. Started as a podcast and continues to be. So go follow our podcast. And then also, if you go down there, you can find our social media links. And if you go to our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/groups/theorbradio, you can be a part of the community, the ORB Radio community, where there is no dumb questions. You're not going to ask anything that you're going to get chastised for, because I don't stand for it as the admin. So you might have a beginner question, and that's completely okay. Somebody else might need to hear it as well. So come, ask your questions, be a part of the ORB Radio community. Okay, so that being said, we're going to talk just real quick about the videos that are going to be included in the Quick Start Guide. So just from top to bottom, there's 11 videos in the series other than the intro. And what you have is creating your Amazon seller account, understanding the back office, really important Amazon FBA settings that are not default. They have to be turned on, so you need to watch that video. How to properly analyze a product page, both on your phone and on the website. And then the meat and potatoes, the best part in my opinion. I put together a 15-step Google Doc about how to analyze profitable products. And there's a video that goes along with that as well. And the link to that is underneath that video, and it's available at orbradio.com in the resources and tools section. And then the next video is how to list products on Amazon Seller Central and how to properly prep products to send into Amazon FBA warehouses, which they have strict policies, so you need to know how to do that properly. The next thing is how to correctly ship boxes, like the big boxes you're going to actually end up sending products in. There's a video over how to understand Keepa.com and Jungle Scout Estimator. There's a video about good stores to source, reputable receipts, and genuine quality products. Then there's 2 more videos. There's a video about understanding repricing and FBA taxes. And then there's a final video that just talks about some small business advice, some things that I've tried and learned in the process of growing my Amazon FBA business. And that essentially is the Quick Start Guide. Everything there is completely transparent. I've given you exactly what I do to be successful on Amazon. Now, I left some little tidbits out, but not for the purpose of not being transparent. I left out some of the advanced stuff. And that stuff we're going to talk about in the podcast and on social media and in the comments below the videos. If you want to know more about a select thing, ask a question. I'm going to come back in and I'm going to answer those things. Or you can email me directly at jsam@orbradio.com. So shoot me an email, find me on social media, DM me, whatever. I'm completely accessible. So reach out to me and we'll talk. And I'd be glad to give you some advice on how to get to the next level with your Amazon business. So 2 things I want to say. I already told you about the Facebook group and the podcast. But here's the deal. In a home business of any kind, or a small business, online business, the underlying factor to whether you are going to make money or not is if you take action. And by taking action, that can look different for everybody in different business models and things like that. It can be everything from going to a Walmart and scanning products on a shelf, bringing them home, slapping labels on them, and shipping them out like Amazon FBA. It can be, I don't know, if you're a landscaper, it's picking up that extra load of mulch and charging an extra $5 for it. I don't know what it is, but what I'm saying is, all that matters is that you take action. And one of the first action steps I want you to do is follow us on social media. Go sign up for our email list. I'm not going to spam you. These are things that are going to keep you in the loop. It's going to be an action step that allows you to stay informed. And in this business, it is the information age, and this is the best way to stay informed about what's happening in the Amazon FBA world, how to get to the next level, etc. So do that. First action step, go follow our social media links and go sign up for our email list and listen to our podcast. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the Amazon FBA Quick Start Guide. If you would, this is one thing I wanted to say for this video. if you would, if you're going to go through the QuickStart guide and you've dedicated yourself to that, comment below. Also subscribe to this channel and like the videos and interact with them. We would really appreciate it. I've done all of this on my own time for free because I want to see you guys succeed. So show me some love. I would love to see it. And also, if you already have been selling on Amazon, if you're an advanced seller, if you would, comment below what year you got started, and if you feel even more comfortable, go ahead and comment your lifetime sales. I want these people who are getting started with Amazon FBA to see that there are real people out there getting real results. So I hope you guys enjoy the QuickStart guide. It's from my heart, and I hope you guys receive it the way that I meant it. And I hope to see just amazing things